Welcome to Daily News Updates by the Shipping Tribune. Here we bring to you the latest maritime daily news in a short form video format. Please subscribe for regular updates. Baltic Index gains on robust Capesize Supramax demand. The Baltic Exchange's main sea freight index tracking rates for ships carrying dry bulk commodities rose on Wednesday, supported by increasing demand in the Capesize and Supramax vessel segments. The overall index, which factors in rates for Capesize, Panamax and Supramax shipping vessels, gained 42 points or 2.6% at 1,640. India eyes green hydrogen bunkering at major ports by 2035. India has set a deadline of 2035 to establish green hydrogen bunkering and refueling facilities at major ports in the drive to cut its carbon footprint, the Shipping Ministry said in guidelines issued on Wednesday. One of the world's biggest emitters of greenhouse gases, India aims to cut emissions to net zero by 2070. And the shipping minister said 3 of the ports would initially have bunker facilities for green hydrogen and ammonia. Shipping Corporation of India shares jumped 8.7% to hit an intraday high of Rs 102.83 apiece on the BSE. Shares of Shipping Corporation of India rallied over 8% Wednesday, led by strong financial performance in the quarter ended March 2023. The stock jumped 8.7% to hit an intraday high of Rs 102.83 apiece on the BSE. Kremlin says Russia's view on Black Sea grain deal understood by all parties. The Kremlin said on Wednesday that Russia's stance on the Black Sea grain deal, that its own interests must be taken into account in talks aimed at extending it beyond May 18th, was understood by all relevant parties. Four-way talks on the deal between Russia, Ukraine, Turkey, and the United Nations are due to take place in Istanbul this week. The United Nations and Turkey brokered the Black Sea Export Agreement in July to help tackle a global food crisis that has been worsened by Moscow's war in Ukraine. To help convince Russia to allow Ukraine to resume Black Sea grain exports, a 3-year pact was also struck in July in which the UN agreed to help Moscow facilitate its own agricultural exports, something it complains hasn't happened at scale. Freight market scenario by Segal Sea Trade. On May 10th, Asia-Pacific Panamax freight rates dropped drastically. The Asia-Pacific Supramax freight rates were steady. In the Pacific, Capesize freight rates were flat. In the Pacific, Handysize market was largely flat. For the detailed report, please check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching the video. Please hit the like button if you like the video and subscribe to the Shipping Tribune YouTube channel if you haven't already.